say today that once a lady dresses and certain parts of her body is revealing, it is not in accordance with African culture? After Hilda Basi attempted breaking the world record, people went through her page talking about her pattern of dressing, and they also made videos on how she dresses which does not portray the African culture. This is also to other ladies once the dresses and certain parts of their body is revealed. This prompted me to make research on how traditional African people used to dress back then. From the little research I've done, African wore clothes from bark clothes, sack clothes, and clothes made from animal skins. They also had body arts, which is seen as today as tattoo, which is not acceptable in the society. But this body art was actually identification of different tribes. They also wore beads as jewelries before the coming of the Europeans and the Arabs, which they introduced to us the Western wears. The suits, the trouser, the jean, the long gown, and tank tops and crop tops, and also the Ankara pattern, which was brought in from the Indonesia by the Dutch company in the 19th century. African already had a pattern of dressing, which this clothes was mostly wrapped around the upper body part and the lower body part, meaning some parts of their body were still revealing. Example could be seen from our Nigerian epic movies. Certain tribes also had their maidens wrap these clothes around the lower parts of their body and the upper parts was still revealing. Example could be seen from the festival celebrated by the Zulu people. So would you say today that once a lady dresses and certain parts of her body is revealing, it is not in accordance with African culture?